Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A4 Allroad finished in a scuba blue. This is the 3-litre V6 Allroad Quattro. The car's got the LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights, the front headlight washer jets and also the front and rear parking sensors. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, we have the 18-inch twin-spoke design all-road alloy wheels with the tall profile tyres. And moving to the rear, the car's got the chrome surrounds on the exterior windows with the chrome roof bars, privacy glass from the B pillar backwards with the full power tailgate, and the dynamic sweep indicators at the rear with a twin polished chrome exhaust. This is an Audi user approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty, and also a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car's got the panoramic sunroof, which is also tinted, with the chrome on the tops of the door handles, full black Milano leather on the inside of the door cards, and also the black Milano leather on the interior seats, with 4-way electronic lumbar support, automatic headlights and wipers with a 3-spoke leather multifunctional steering wheel, Audi's Virtual Cockpit with navigation and technology package with the extended display with the IQ mobile phone wireless charging pad. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A4 Allroad, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.